This is the keynote from Gerber. No knife can do it all, but this one comes close. Deployment of the dual-use blade is initiated with the starter tab and finished with your thumb or a nail nick. The blade is stout, giving you both a scraping and a cutting edge. And you get all that in a compact format you can wear on a belt, in a pocket, or on a keychain. It's available in 2 colors. Out on the town or around the house, the Keynote can multitask like no other.
My name is Hans Albing. I'm a product manager here at Benchmade. This is the 380 Ollie. The first knife that we're collaborating with French knife designer Patrick Famine, which is also actually a collaboration between him and another French knife maker, Eric Diemengeber. Designed this knife for his own personal use as he traveled the globe. Packs so many features in there, a ton of utility. One of my favorites is the clip. It's a money clip slash pocket clip. Also removable if you just want to attach it to your keychain. We've actually improved on the friction fold mechanism by adding spring washers in behind the pivot. So it's applying a constant force to the blade. The open and close action is going to remain consistent over time. My favorite feature is the bottle opener. Be the first Benchmade bottle opener out there.
This is the GDC Zip Blade, part of the new Gerber Daily Carry collection. With the GDC Zip Blade, you'll always have a cutting tool nearby. It features a lightweight, durable, fine-edge utility blade and includes a frame lock for safety. It can be attached to your jacket or your pack, and there's a clip for quick release. This is the GDC Zip Blade.